Hello, namaste, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show a scene of Dubai where I'm living right now, and you guys can join with me and see what's around on me and whatever it's. So let's go for a evening walk. That's all. Okay. Okay. So all you know, this is the situation of COVID-19, and if we are going without mask somewhere, then a huge fine charge will be fine to us. So that's why I wear the mask, and I think there is nothing, but I have to do my all the what kind of things we say we have to give our best to get rid of COVID-19. So that's why I wear the mask, and right now I'm going for a walk, and you guys can also join me. I'm here in Dubai, and the location of this Dubai is called Al Quoz. And you can see, guys, right now I'm here in Dubai somewhere. The location of this so this area is called what it's called, I forget the name. Actually, yeah, Al Barsha. I got it. Okay, so this area is Al Barsha, and right now I'm going for a short walk because I cannot be in my room at all time. Today is my off day, so today was my off day. So I thought, let's go somewhere in the evening. I was planning to go. Uh, I was planning to go Dubai Expo next Sunday, and I will go with my friend because if you are going alone, it's not feel better, and so you can join with your friends. You can tell him to join with you, and if you all go together, then you will feel, guys, like you are with something that you have, and you guys really have fun enjoying and everything. So that's why I will go with my friend. Okay, so I will show around this area. You can see uh, there is no what it's called, everywhere is sand. That's all. Okay, so guys, you can see all this building is not that much pretty, but it's okay because I'm not in the downtown city. I'm from in the village area, so it's okay, I think. And I will go to this is the Australian International School. This is I'm going in front of this, then you can see in the main building. So I'm going through that. Okay, so right now we are looking for a taxi, and when we get the taxi we will go through out, because sometimes, you know what happen, whenever we are trying to go through and any kind of transport, and the taxi is very expensive here. Mm, you know what I mean. When I was in India, so I have only to pay 5 rupees, 5 Indian rupees to go somewhere, and max 5 to 10 rupees for taxi or metro. And here you have to pay for taxi 1000 Indian rupees, and for metro you have to pay at least 6 into 2 and 120 rupees. I think metro is cheaper than taxi here. So if you are going somewhere, you should take only uh, taxi. You know what I mean. If you are getting a taxi, then it should be cheaper. It would be cheaper for you, and if you get taxi, then it would be expensive. I don't know what the fuck I am saying, but I only have to make a 5 minutes video, 4 to 5 minute video. That's why I am doing all these things and saying all this stuff to you, because this video is only for monetization. I guess it will be get deleted after the monetization complete. Okay, that's why. So now I am here. You can see the Crown Plaza. I will show you in front of this.